ơi, chạy đi, ôi, chạy đi, chạy đi, chạy đi.
Wow, bị quá. Dạ bị quá.
Oh my God! Did you see?
Hello everyone, welcome to GX World. Today, we're back with more times Mother Nature truly gets angry. From an elevated vantage point, the terrifying power of a tsunami is captured as it inundates a coastal town. A massive surge of brown water, laden with debris from destroyed structures, sweeps relentlessly inland. Buildings crumble and are washed away effortlessly by the turbulent flow. The sounds of crashing structures, rushing water, and distant human cries paint a grim picture of the disaster unfolding below, while vehicles parked in the foreground await their fate. The sheer scale of nature's destructive force is laid bare in this dramatic footage. Witnessed from across a valley, structural integrity fails catastrophically as multiple multi-story buildings constructed on a steep, unstable hillside give way. The edifices crumble downwards in a dramatic landslide, generating a large cloud of dust and debris. This footage starkly illustrates the dangers associated with construction on precarious terrain when geological stability is compromised. An urban street transforms into a raging river during an intense flash flood, documented from a window above. The powerful, muddy torrent surges through the street with alarming force, lifting and tossing parked vehicles as if they were weightless toys. Cars are seen spinning, colliding, and being swept downstream, demonstrating the overwhelming power of the rapidly moving water and the chaos it inflicts on the urban infrastructure.
Oh my God!
An exceptionally intense hailstorm bombards a paved area. Large, distinct hailstones violently strike the ground, bouncing high amidst driving rain. A sudden and significant landslide occurs on a steep mountainside adjacent to a road. A large volume of rock and soil breaks loose and cascades downwards, enveloping the area in dust. Onlookers standing perilously close to the base scramble for safety as the debris field expands, highlighting the unpredictable nature of such geological events. Captured by a fixed camera, a critical failure occurs at a dam structure. A section of the spillway or wall abruptly bursts outwards, releasing a sudden, powerful gush of impounded water downstream. The event demonstrates a catastrophic structural breach and the immediate forceful discharge of water. A large, well-defined tornado tears through a residential neighborhood. Filmed from a nearby house, the vortex is seen churning violently, kicking up significant amounts of debris that swirl within and around the funnel cloud. Houses and fences provide a scale for the immense power of the twister as it moves across the landscape, accompanied by the blare of a warning siren.
Oh, hilet tole.
A metal truss bridge is subjected to the immense force of a powerful, debris-laden flood. The raging river's current visibly erodes the supporting structures. Under the relentless pressure, the bridge structure begins to twist and contort before ultimately failing completely, collapsing into the turbulent brown water. An intense wildfire burns vigorously near a road, characterized by tall flames and thick smoke. Filmed from the deck of one vessel during a severe storm, the footage shows another ship, the Ocean Venture 2, battling extremely rough seas. Connected by thick hawsers, the second ship endures wave after massive wave, crashing completely over its bow, submerging the forecastle repeatedly in walls of white spray. The vessel pitches and rolls dramatically, showcasing the violent power of the ocean and the perils faced. Crew members appear briefly on the filming ship near the end, providing a human perspective to the harrowing conditions.
Badai. Transfer solar. Oi! Woo! Hey! Botol. Ocean Venture. Woo! Wih, kapal badai. Kapal badai. A destructive flash flood,
thick with mud and carrying debris from dismantled market stalls and tents, surges through an urban street. The chaotic flow pushes wreckage along, engulfing a parked car and demonstrating the messy, debris-carrying nature of such inundations in populated areas. A close-up perspective reveals the failure of a supporting structure or retaining wall on a hillside. Covered partially by blue tarps, the ground gives way, immediately triggering the collapse of the building directly above it in a quick cascade of earth and construction materials. A house perched high on a verdant, unstable slope succumbs to a landslide. The ground beneath it gives way, sending the entire structure sliding down the hill. The house rapidly disintegrates during its descent, breaking apart completely amidst the moving earth, illustrating the complete destruction caused by the ground failure.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Monday. Shit. Shit.
Observed from an adjacent roadway, a concrete bridge span fails under the pressure of a fast-flowing, muddy river. The central section of the bridge visibly buckles and then collapses downward into the raging water, severing the connection across the river as onlookers watch the dramatic structural failure. A rapid and muddy flow, characteristic of a flash flood or small mudslide, rushes down a narrow channel or pathway in a rural setting. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please give our video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to watch the next interesting videos of GX World. Goodbye, and see you again.